Hello! If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe for new projects and ideas. On this project we are going to be making a wall spice rack, all from scrap wood. I won't be leaving measurements for this project, you can make it bigger or smaller and use the same design. It is always a good idea to pre-drill the wood, to prevent wood splitting. Apply glue and install the first piece, install screws as needed. Repeat the same steps to install both sides of the rack. Once you have the sides installed, continue by installing the back end pieces. The back piece will be screwed to the wall, and it will have a space between the wall and the spices. It will make it easier to clean, if you ever have a spill. Three screws on each back piece will be more than enough. Once you have the back pieces on place, the last piece will be the front. Apply wood glue and clamp it. I will leave it overnight. Remove the clamps and sand it down. I will be using 220 grit sandpaper. After you're done sanding, clean and wipe all dust residue. I will be applying Gray Stain by Minwax. Find the space where the rack is going to be installed. I usually install all my shelves straight on the studs behind the wall. You will find them every 16 inches. And we have finished the spice rack. From build to installation, gather all your favorite spices, and place them on their new home.